Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the Huawei Enjoy 70X, a mid-range device packed with some impressive features. Whether you're considering buying this phone or just curious about its specs, I've got you covered. Let's get started with an in-depth review of the Huawei Enjoy 70X. The Huawei Enjoy 70X measures 164 by 74.9 by 8 millimeters. It's also relatively lightweight at either 189 grams or 193 grams, depending on the variant you choose. The phone features a glass front, plastic frame, and either a plastic back or an eco-leather silicone polymer back, adding a premium feel to the device. For durability, it comes with an IP64 rating, making it dust and splash resistant. It's available in 4 stunning colors: black, white, blue, and green. So, no matter your style, there's a color for you. Moving on to the display, the Huawei Enjoy 70X features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with HDR Vivid technology. This means you're getting stunning colors and sharp visuals. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate. The display includes an under-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking, and it also has an always-on display feature for quick access to important information. One of the standout features of this phone is its 6100 mAh battery. When it's time to recharge, the 40-watt wired fast charging gets you back in action quickly. The Huawei Enjoy 70X runs on Harmony OS 4.2, which offers a smooth and seamless user experience. At its core is the Kirin 8000A chipset, which is designed for efficiency and reliable performance. Let's talk about cameras. The Huawei Enjoy 70X has a dual camera setup on the back. The primary sensor is a 50-megapixel wide camera with an f1.9 aperture, a large 1.56-inch sensor, and dual-pixel PDF for fast and accurate focusing. There's also a 2-megapixel depth sensor with an f2.4 aperture for better portrait shots. The camera supports 4K and 1080p video recording, making it great for content creators. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel wide selfie camera with an f2.0 aperture. It also supports 4K and 1080p video. For storage, the Huawei Enjoy 70X comes with 3 options: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB of internal memory. However, there's no card slot for expandable storage. Let's discuss connectivity. The Huawei Enjoy 70X supports dual nano SIM cards for seamless communication. It also comes with NFC. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. For charging and data transfer, you get a USB Type-C 2.0 port. So that's the Huawei Enjoy 70X, a device that balances style, performance, and features at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a reliable mid-range device with excellent battery life and a premium design, the Huawei Enjoy 70X could be the perfect choice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you planning to get this phone? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.